Okay, moving right along, find the value of x and y. Okay. Hold up. This was kind of boring. Okay, so x is in the middle, or the interior of the circle. So that means that x is equal to 1/2 the sum of those two opposite arcs. 140 plus 85 is 225. So then divide that by 2, and that will give us x. X equals 225 divided by 2 is 112.5. So then y is going to be supplementary to that. They must add up to 180. So then y is going to be 67.5. Sweet. All right, so if we want to check our work, we should notice that we don't know what these two arcs are, but we do know that they have to add up to 135 because 225 plus 135 is 360. And we know that y is going to be one half of their sum. So if they must add up to 135, if we divide that by 2, what do we get? We get 67.5, which is exactly what we got here. So we are all good to go. Our work is checked. Okay, find the value of x. This is one where we're going to use what we learned on Tuesday. So what we have is, zoom in on this, we have a point, and we have two lines coming from that point. So first of all, we know that x squared, because we're going to count this x twice, we'll talk about that more in a second, is going to have to be equal to 6 times 6 plus 12, which is 18. All right, so because what's happening is we have a point, we know that the point, if we have the two distances and we multiply them together, it's going to always be constant for that point. And then because this one only has the one distance, it's x, is a tangent line, we just multiply it by itself, x times x. So then we get x squared equals 6 times 18 is 60, 48, 108. So then x is going to be the square root of 108, which is going to be about 10, between 10 and 11, closer to 10. I think it says round to the, it doesn't say round to the nearest tenth, so you might even be good leaving it as 108, but you might want to simplify that radical. So just whatever you want to do, x is equal to about 108.